Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to send emails using Mailchimp using the easy method. This is a great way to share updates on your project so your messages land safely inside everyone's mailbox at the same time. Let's get into it. First, open the Campaign Builder panel. The first step is to open your internet browser, sign in to your dashboard account, and find the main action button that lets you build a brand new message page. Open your browser tab, log in to your main profile, click on the pencil icon or the button marked Create Email, and choose the regular email option. Click on the Simple Text option to open up a fresh blank setup board on your center screen. Because you cannot send a message without creating a blank layout folder first, you have to open this building area so the system can set up the empty slots for your text and pictures. Without this step, you would just be looking at your audience count instead of prepping a new letter. Next, choose who will receive your message. You need to click on the setup lines to tell the system exactly which group of people from your saved contact list should get this letter. Move your pointer to the top row marked 2, click on the Add Recipients button, and pick your main audience list from the drop-down menu. Click the checkbox to select your entire subscriber list or choose a small subset group if you only want to talk to specific people. Because you need to make sure your message goes to the right people. By selecting your target list, you tell the computer program exactly who to send the mail to when you hit the final button. It ensures you don't accidentally send your personal news to an empty folder or the wrong group of users. Next, type your subject line and sender name. Now you need to fill out the info boxes that tell your readers who the letter is from and what the message is about before they click to open it. Click the Add From button to type your name, then click the Add Subject button and type a short, exciting phrase into the empty text field. Keep your subject sentence short and clear so your readers understand your message immediately when they look at their phones. Because people receive lots of notes every day and will skip letters that look confusing. By typing a clean topic line, you grab the attention of your followers and explain what your news is about. It is the key step to getting the right output because it helps your note look professional and clean. Next, design your text and hit Send. The final step is to open the visual layout box, type out your main news, place a picture if you want, and click the final button to release the mail to the world. Click the Design Email button, type your words into the text boxes, hit the Close button, move your mouse to the top right corner, and click the Send button. Review the final summary checklist on your screen to ensure all green check marks are showing, then click the Send Now confirmation pop-up bar. Because clicking the Send button triggers the giant computer network to push your message out to hundreds of text boxes instantly. Once you click the final confirmation bar for your communication task, your letter is officially flying through the air and landing in your viewers' inboxes. Now your delivery setup is completely finished, and your audience is reading your updates. And that's it. To send emails using Mailchimp, you must first open the Campaign Builder panel by clicking Create. Then you choose your audience list under the Recipients tab so the system knows who to target. Next, you type your personal name and your subject line into the setup boxes. Finally, you design your text layout and click the Send Now button to push your message live. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.